saw one of our guys here today.
I have.
Yeah, Vern and Randy, and
How you doing?
Justin Fiddick. Yeah.
How are you?
Yep.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Great, doing well. Good. We got 5 guys here. Well, 5 trucks here for shows, right?
Nice.
Other shows, so that's what we're doing. So Brennan says I'm supposed to see Adam wherever Adam is.
Hey, you sound just like Brendan. What's going on?
Hey, Adam's going on.
No.
No. Oh, CJ, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you, man? Good, good, good.
Totally get the generators.
How's your practice going?
Oh.
Yeah, because there's
We were standing out here all day getting whipped in the face.
Wendy was probably What's that?
Get a shirt from Nike Truck?
Huh?
Yeah. When they start selling extra large.
Yeah. Don't see how it fits my wife.
Want to wear a hat tonight? You want to wear one? I'm going to have to drive all the way home, Gary. Thanks.
You look good in practice. Like when you see them going by, you can't say, "Oh, that guy's fast."
I'm not sure how.
I don't know many of the
He was in
names.
the NASCAR race last, like 500 or Daytona last week.
Okay.
650.
Put it on Gary's account, right?
Yeah, use a gold card.
Let's go! Let's rock and roll. Gentlemen, start your engines.
Holy shit! Look at the size of that material. That's a big bullet. He lives somewhere in Etobicoke.
Yeah. Shelby used to be right here, eh, Gary?
So what do you think? We go straight through? Yes. What do you think, Vern?
I don't even know where the fuck we are.
Well, the racetrack is there. So
But it said general admission parking right there.
See how clean
It
this
goes
is.
straight through the light,
Yeah.
right?
I'm blaming you guys. These guys told me what to
Oh, they all go to the same spot anyway.
Yeah, one time I was walking all the way here to see a dirt racing.
Well, there's the main track over there.
Yeah.
There's a dirt race right there.
Where?
Right there in front of us.
Oh, that's the dirt track?
Yeah.
Can you transfer that to my phone?
This used to be the track where you could drive Ferrari.
Yeah.
Oh, right, right.
Look right here.
Most comfortable. He's stretched across the back.
I got lots of room back here.
Yeah, you can relax.
The TV don't do it justice. They sure go fucking faster in fucking real life.
Oh, and
You
fucking
think so,
loud, eh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so loud.
What? Gary got a good video of that guy hitting that wall, though.
Yeah.